I can show you what is called climate control. Yeah. This is the AC vents. We have 4 vents in front here. This is the one. We have 2 in the center here and 1 there. And this particular, the AC control is called climate control. This is called climate control. This particular section controls the AC units. We have the auto here if you want it to run on auto mode. We have the off. You have the front and rear heater, and this is recirculation. If you don't want the air to come from outside to pick from inside the cabin, always make sure that it's on the recirculation. This is the on button. This is the dual, so that the people at the back seat can also feel the AC. If you check the back, you see that we have vents also at the back. Let me show it to you. This is the 2 vents that is on the back. For the people that will be seated at the back. So these are just basic. Underneath this dashboard, we have the evaporator, the man in charge of the coolness. Then if you open this glove box, the blower fan is buried under here. Who will bring out this glove box? You should be able to see the blower fan properly. I will use the opportunity to bring out the filter to see the condition of the filter. Yeah. Let me see. All right. This particular filter is still in good condition. I'll put it back. And the evaporator itself is buried underneath the dashboard. So that will be all for now. Our next video, I think we should be able to bring down this dashboard. So keep subscribing, keep following Timemo Global Limited if you really want to know about automobile air conditioning.